So we chose the name Levity because we wanted to bring a little levity to people's day. And so one of the taglines we always use is, great ideas begin with breakfast. And for me, my best ideas happened over a cup of coffee, over a breakfast sandwich. So Levity was, we wanted to bring a little bit of that levity to your day. Through the food we make, through the conversation we have here, we hope to bless people with that. My brother and I had always dreamed of creating a space where people could enjoy breakfast. We love breakfast, so we used to cook for each other and then neighborhood kids when we were little kids. So this is kind of 30 years in the making, but we wanted to create a space that we love, and we come from Portland, Oregon. It's really popular to take old houses and convert them over, and when I moved here, there was nothing like it, and I kept saying, man, why does no one do that? Now after purchasing it and doing it, I kind of understand why no one does. It is not easy. It was a tremendous amount of work. I wanted to create a space that people come to school here, and then when they come back to visit, and their parents can come, and you create a legacy spot. And some of my favorite places in Norman are those kind of legacy small businesses, and we wanted to add something to the Norman experience that we didn't see here. We often say our Portland roots, Norman flavor, but that was our what we wanted to bring with Levity.
Yeah.
Make our own blueberry syrup in-house. And that is our signature blueberry matcha. Here you go, blueberry matcha. There are way easier ways to make money than running running one of these. This is not the easiest way. You can create an experience that we enjoy, and if you build something that the people that work here love, it makes it possible for them to deliver an experience that the people that dine here love. So this space lends itself to people coming up with ideas. Nothing wrong with a strip mall or being on the main street. I wanted something that almost like you could discover, and so we're a couple blocks off the beaten path, and so people get to discover us, and when you walk in, you go, oh man, this is what I've been looking for. So I love that we could do that, and I think the space is different. I mean, there aren't a lot of restaurants in 100-year-old homes, so that right away when you walk in, it creates that experience. I think the food, especially that my brother has worked up as the chef, that provides it. And I mean, you obviously have to have great food. People won't come back. I mean, having a great space matters. Probably cliche, but I would say that even if you have all that, for me, if you don't nail the service, if you don't take a second to connect with people, and why we wanted to do it is I love people. I love connecting with them. I've worked in nonprofits. I've started them. This is sort of that option of, can you do good in the world and make money? Is there a way to do both? Is there a way to have a business and still bless people? And so I think that the service aspect is what we want. We want to create a space where people enjoy being, that this is where they go to celebrate, is that service aspect. This is probably one of the things I'm most proud about. This is the base of a railroad car. This was actually turned into a conference table made by a dear friend, and I wanted to find a way to repurpose it. So I had a carpenter come in and basically take what was this massive showpiece conference table and turn it into our bar. And that featured with this amazing tile, this Moroccan tile. Really, it just, again, it sets that as you walk in. There's something special going on. Probably one of the other things that I love, in the 20s, wallpaper took off. This house was built in 1920, and we were trying to find a way to capture that. And this was the gold with the black, and especially wallpaper 100 years ago was really popular. And so we felt like we had to add that. And so we try to keep the house as much as possible, keep that space, so that when people come to dine here, it feels like you're actually coming to someone's home, and that sets the mood for what we're trying to deliver. The fireplace is one of the original pieces we were able to save. We tried to salvage as much as we could on the restaurant, so when you walk in, you get that feeling of, again, what was it like 100 years ago? People love this experience. They love to talk about this, and again, it gives you that home feel. You're having breakfast in someone's home, which is what I love most. Because of the popularity of our iced drinks, having the machine here, having it obviously serviced, that I don't have to mess with it, is awesome. That it's taken care of, it's cleaned, serviced by Easy Ice, and any issues I have on it instantly. And that's important because that's a tremendous amount of drinks we do in a day, especially when we're out catering and things, that we have all the ice we need right here is so important to our business. And I was actually kind of shocked. I didn't think we would sell near as many really espresso drinks. I always think of breakfast with, get a diner cup of coffee, that kind of style. It's actually the opposite. We sell so many iced beverages, especially in the morning with breakfast, that it wouldn't be possible without having a machine here that's ready to go. And like I said, that I don't have to worry about, that I can call if there's any issues. Perfect. So makes it easy. I love how supportive the area businesses are. To me, it is a dream that we work with some of the other businesses here, and though you could see it as competitors, it's really about lifting each other up.